What's up, guys? And I'm gonna do some different stuff. So let's go out of my scene monsters. First, let's collect this money. Alright, we're going out. Yes. Let's exit. So now, let's go to this game. I wonder you guys should like it. So I hope you'll enjoy. Hit play here. Alrighty. And then pick this car. I'm sorry if it's wrong, guys. But let's do J. Let's do JJ. Our name will be JJ, guys. Let's go to multiplayer. 15%. Okay, we're starting in, guys. We're in. Jeez. Dude. Alright, let's continue driving. Now, I'm not really good at this, guys. Every time I do a corner, I wreck. I'm sorry. See? I'm telling you, guys. But these people keep hitting me. And I hate when these gears shift down, guys. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry if I posted some dumb videos. And where the bumps we go? We're playing 3 games. This is our first game. I hope I already did a video on singing monsters. Very quick. Oh god, I jumped. I didn't like it. Out of my way. This car sits low, so that's why I'm jumping over the boom. I crash. That's what happens every time. Floor it. Well, definitely when you just hold it softly, you just floor it. Usually, you just floor it. Like every time. So you have to like, hold the gas, let off. Hold the gas, let off. Brake slowly. You just have to do the same thing with the gas. But this time stops your car. Sorry I don't have no face cam. Because the face cam, it was very blurry. So, I don't know about the camera. Let's just get going. Hello. You have a nice car. You have a nice car. But, sorry, but this is your boy, and I'll see